For our first exercise, we need to show only the top-level categories in our business search feature. Currently, if we search for businesses, our list of potential categories is simply too long to make sense of. As we saw in the Neo4j browser guide, we can use the overlap similarity algorithm to identify category hierarchies. Let's see how we can use this in the application to present a more reasonable list of categories to choose from. So here in Neo4j browser, I'm working in the category hierarchy module guide. Let's skip to the answers at the end of the guide and run the queries. I'll run the overlap similarity procedure, and then I'll need to delete any transitive relationships. Now I can view a piece of the hierarchy with this query. And here, for example, I can see that wine bars is a subcategory of both restaurants and bars, which is a subcategory of nightlife. Okay, so how can I show only the top-level categories in my category selection dropdown in the application? Well, if I look at the query being used to populate the dropdown selection currently, we're just fetching all categories. But now that I have some hierarchy, I can update the query to only return top-level categories. To do this, we'll exclude any category nodes that have an outgoing narrower than relationship. So we'll use a where not exists clause with the pattern C with an outgoing narrower than relationship to exclude those. Now let's take a look at the business search feature in the app, and we can see we have a much shorter list of categories to choose from, making it easier to search for the businesses that I'm interested in.